What's going on, guys? We're at SEMA day 1 today, and we're at the Avery Dennison booth. Let's see what they're up to. I have David here with Avery Dennison, and we're going to talk about the new Neo Matte Black. So the Neo Gloss Black, we've been using it, we love it. It has the absolute best clarity in color gloss protection. But we have this Neo Matte Black. Can you tell us a little bit more about this?
For sure. We just launched this. I don't know when this is coming out, but we just launched it. It's our new addition to our Neo line, which is our wet applied color PPF films. And now it's in a matte black finish, so smooth satin matte type finish, and 7-year warranty, and great aesthetic feel. We always call it like the Batman effect. When you put it on a car, it makes you kind of look like the Batmobile a little bit. So we're really excited about launching this product.
And we actually got to use this a little bit before it came out, and it's absolutely amazing. You have a technology that actually grabs a lot better than I think other color PPF that I've seen.
Yeah.
And it installs so easy, it glides, it's really, really thick and smooth, right? And on top of that, again, it grabs the edges super easy. So what did you guys do differently for this one?
Our R&D folks, which we should talk to a little bit as well, but it is a thick film, but it actually has really good conformability. Total thickness is about 8.5 mil, so I think the face is 6.5 and the adhesive is 1.5. Yes. We should edit that part. But the whole point is, even though it's a thick film, it's very conformable around edges, and you can stretch it really well. So we're really excited about how we're able to engineer it to be used from car enthusiasts down to installers. So it's a very installer-friendly film.
Awesome. Super excited for this to be out, and it's going to be out very soon, right?
It's out now.
It's out right now. So
order it.
Get it from your distributors.
Yes, you do.
On top of the Neo Matte Black, they also have a whole host of new products. It's been out for a little bit, and we've been working with a little bit of the Encore Supreme IR. And honestly, the best clarity film I've ever worked with. Very easy. It still feels a little bit heavier, I think, so it might take a little bit of getting used to shrink it. But once you kind of get used to it, it's been amazing. The heat rejection is great. It can go up to 93%. And then even the basic line is also going all the way up to 70%, 74%. So I have Davey here kind of going to walk you through some of the new products here. And I'm really excited about this one too, because also it has a Tesla. So not that I'm biased, but take it away.
Yeah, so we launched a whole new set of automotive window films this year. So our old films, we discontinued it and brought and re-engineered everything and came out with a whole new line of films under the Encore umbrella. So I'm going to kind of take you through that a little bit. So right here is what we call our clear solution, our Encore Shield IR. You probably would use that on windshields, sunroofs, anyone that's looking for heat rejection without the tinted look on their vehicle. Some people don't like to have the tinted look, but they still want to protect themselves from the UV rays. This is a great option. And again, for windshields as well, it works really good on there with the heat rejection on it. And then, so I'm kind of taking you down from like best to our basic. So this is our ceramic line, so our Encore Supreme IR. So that's our top tier line of films, our ceramic. G kind of spoke about it a little bit. Amazing clarity on it, no low angle haze you'll see in it. So we've gotten really good feedback and results from that since we've launched it. Over here is what we'll call our mid tier. But surprisingly, it has really good heat rejection as well. And all of our films I didn't mention before are engineered with nanotechnology. So you're not necessarily, even though it might be like a standard solution, you're still not getting like the deep dyed film that doesn't have any nanotechnology in it. So our Encore Supreme is still a very good option for someone for a little bit of a lesser price point. And then what we call our standard solution is our Encore line. It's our the basic, if you're talking about good, better, best. As G kind of mentioned before, you're still getting 74% selective infrared rejection on it, and 99% UV rejection. And all of our films are recommended by the Skin Cancer Foundation as well. So you can't go wrong. Depending on what your price point is and what you're looking for, all the Encore films can meet your needs.
So we have a new collection of colors, and this is in conjunction with Supercar Blondie, and I'm sure most people know about Supercar Blondie. And we got super awesome colors, but you can also use SW900 for other than cars, right?
Yeah. So obviously we have this thing we call "For Love of Cars." It's like a slogan we hold near and dear to us. So we had the idea when we were doing the SEMA show this year of how do we highlight these colors in a more dynamic way than the standard way. So we built these cubbies and just wanted to wrap other objects in the colors. So you can do anything from like satin sunset ride with the RC car. The Dreamline Blue has the motorcycle helmet. We did a skateboard in the Cosmic Rose, and the Smooth Sage in a car hood. Just trying to do different ways of showing off the film and how you can use Supreme Wrap on a car, but also on other objects that you hold near and dear to you.
What's your favorite color out of this four?
I think I'm a Satin Sunset Ride guy, and I really like, but Smooth Sage really has an effect on me as well.
Yeah. Love it. So one of the most exciting launches of the year for Avery Dennison and SEMA is the Prisma Pro. And we can finally talk about it. It is a dry PPF installation on all these amazing colors. So David, tell us a little bit about the...
It's okay, we're just gonna wing it. So yes, we are launching a new dry apply color PPF we're super excited about. 10 colors to start, more coming in 2026. Well, the full launch is happening in 2026, but you'll see more colors after the first release of the first 10 colors. So this is a quick look at them. We have Rock Gray, Midnight Sand, Gloss Metallic Gold, a Gloss White, Gloss Rock Gray, I think I might have already said, so we may have put it up here twice. A High Gloss Black, Olive Green, Purple Metallic, Gloss Blue, and Garnet Red, which is a Gloss Metallic as well. So we're going to have all gloss and gloss metallic colors at first, but we're launching satin and matte finishes very soon, and more colors as well.
So this is only dry install, right? This is only dry install, and one of the things I really like about this roll, it's pretty affordable, I think, for what it is. And it's a 75 feet roll, right, or 25-yard roll, which is awesome because it's more than enough for replacements or anything if something were to happen.
For sure. Yeah, we were very intentional about everything with this launch, down from the name all the way to the size of the roll. We have new boxes coming with them as well. So we're really excited about it. But yeah, so they're 60 feet by 75 yards. Essentially, it's a color change. What people are accustomed to, a color change, we wanted to continue that with our color change PPF. It is a dry apply only installation, and we have the IntelliTac adhesive system with it. So it was intentionally more of a tackier film, but it locks down very well. You're able to squeegee out any bubbles and things like that. And we're getting a lot of good feedback here at SEMA and when we get it into shops and customer hands as well. So,
and when is this launching?
Early 2026.
Let's go. So can't wait to get our hands on it. And we're definitely going to be, getting into the DIY as well community.
For sure.
So thank you so much for sharing this.
No problem. Looking forward to it. Thank you.
And we're going to have it for DIY options in the next few days, maybe weeks. So stay tuned, and we'll see you later.